Hi, so for my M3 concept of analysis, I am going to be talking about quantitative research methods. So, by drawing heavily from research methods in the physical sciences, quantitative methodologies are able to explore human connection through collecting and analyzing numerical data. So, there are steps to conduct quantitative research. Using the scientific method of research, we are able to one, find the focus of the study. What do you want to discover? What are you looking to find? Number two, the research question. And this is used to keep the research focused so that way you know exactly what you're looking for because there is a lot of information out there. Number three, hypothesis. How do you believe individuals will or will not communicate based on the variables that you are setting? Do you think they're going to have negative interactions, positive interactions, things of that sort? Number four, collect data. And the data collected is used to test your hypothesis. Were you right? Were you wrong? What happened? Number five, analyze the data. Process numbers and look at data to find patterns in communication. Just because you can find all the data, it's really worth nothing unless you analyze it to see what it's really telling you. And that leads to step number six, which is interpret the data. Can you make any broad claims about communication through the data? What did you find out? What do you wish to share with people? And there are quantitative methods. So, number one, there is the experimental research. This is the most well established method. It uses research principles of physical sciences to conduct experiments that explore human behaviors. And this can be done in real world settings or in a lab setting if you have access to that. Number two, survey research. Asking a group of people questions about certain topics. This can be done using an interview format, online, mailed, or physically handed out. The best way to show the data collected through these is through the use of charts, graphs, or tables. Number three, content analysis. This can be used to count the number of occurrences of a particular focus of inquiry, most often used to explore the potential effects that movies, TV shows, or commercials have by looking at how often they have occurred. Sorry about that. And number four, meta-analysis. This research seeks to combine the results of a series of past studies to see if their results are similar or to determine if they can show us any new information when they are looked at in totality. So, the pros of using this method, I would say, is number one, it gives us a means to learn about and represent our world. Number two, it shows patterns of human communication, although it does not produce 100% accurate results in specific when we do the surveys, just because some people can be not so truthful on those. And number three can help us determine similarities, differences among communicative events or groups of people. And I find quantitative research methodologies to be extremely useful when you're looking for strong evidence to support communication claims. The fact that this research allows you to numerically see the impact of communication allows you to make any adjustments needed to effectively get the results you are looking for.